Welcome to the color processing tutorial in PointKit. If you want to follow along, go to Workflow Examples, Color Processing. The goal in this video is to turn the mesh on the left into looking more like the mesh on the right. We see that it has some white balance issues, and the contrast and saturation is also a bit different. So let's go to Tools and then Color Processing and select the mesh that we want to edit. You can switch between flat color and regular color in order to see the vertex colors without any shading. So the color processing toolkit is a layer-based system, similar to other photo editing apps you might be familiar with. So as I add more layers, they'll build up on top of one another, and you can turn them on and off accordingly. Once you're done, you'll be able to apply it to the mesh or apply it to all of the meshes. The first thing that I want to do is adjust the white balance. So we can start off by doing an auto white balance and adjust the white point to our liking. I think it's a little bit too red, so I'll just decrease that a little bit further until I'm happy. If you want, you can also pick a value from the mesh and set that as your white point. You can then decrease that value such that it's pure gray. That looks good to me, so let's move on. Next, let's adjust the exposure. And I'll keep adding layers until I achieve a result that I'm happy with. And once we're done, we can apply it to the mesh. And then we have something with the color processing applied.